we have a new GAN cube to unbox. Oh wait, this is not the one, this is the old one. Alright, this is the one. It says GAN 11M in it. Oh no. More GAN cubes name I need to learn. Okay, let's just open it. Let's get this thing open. Guys, here is it, the GAN 11M. I'm so excited to open this. Let's open it. Why isn't it opening? Oh wait, there's it. So that's useless card that always mess my things. It's useless. And we have this box right here. Let's see what is inside. Great unboxing experience. Okay, so here we have the old thing. Why can't GAN just change it? It's like so old. And we have a nice bag like the last one. So soft. And we have a tensioning thing. And finally we have a GAN 11 thing. Let's see what is inside. Hope you can read Chinese. Trick you again. There's an English side. Actually, we don't need that. That's just useless information. Let's get onto the cube. Wait, they used the old case again. And let's open the box and see what's inside. Wow, this is so light. Lighter than before. Look, it's so light. And let's see what is inside. Okay. Why do GAN always need to make plastic? Wow, it is so light. Let's see how the cubes turn. Wow, it turns so fast. Woo! And let's see the corner cutting. Wow, it can cut more than 45 degrees. And let's turn slowly. There's magnets. So that's why it's called GAN 11M. Let's try Japer. This is very good. So good. Guys, we should buy this cube. It's very good. Now let's see what is inside the cube. We have this new maglev thing over here. And it's very good for this GAN 11 cube. And there's no core magnets, but it's still very good. It's not like the GAN 11 Pro. And it's very light. Let's do a speed solve on this. Let's open this mat. Oh, I broke the mat. Never mind, it's just plastic. Let's do a quick time solve on this. Here we go. Oh no, I messed up. Still a very good time though. This is a very good cube, in opinion. And hope you like this video for this cube. I think you guys should buy it. And see you next video. Bye.